Hello, DIY enthusiasts and home improvement aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an eco-friendly and stylish project in store for you installing cork flooring. If you're looking for a unique and sustainable flooring option, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to install cork flooring. Step 1. Gather your materials. Before we begin, let's make sure we have all the necessary materials on hand. You'll need cork flooring tiles or planks, adhesive preferably water-based and low VOC, a trowel, a utility knife, a straight edge, a measuring tape, a rolling pin, spacers, and a saw for cutting. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Proper subfloor preparation is crucial for a successful installation. Ensure your subfloor is clean, dry, and level. Step 3. Acclimate the cork flooring. Cork is a natural material, so it needs time to acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity. Lay the cork flooring tiles or planks in the room for at least 48 hours before installation. Step 4. Plan the layout. Next, plan your layout. Measure the width of the room and find the center point. Use spacers to create expansion gaps around the perimeter of the room. Step 5. Apply adhesive and install cork flooring. Now it's time to apply adhesive. Spread a thin, even layer of adhesive on the subfloor using a trowel. Place your first cork tile or plank at the center point and press it firmly into the adhesive. Step 6. Cut and fit cork tiles. Measure the space, mark your cuts, and use a utility knife or a saw to make precise cuts. Remember to leave expansion gaps along the edges. Step 7. Roll and finish. After all the cork tiles or planks are in place, use a rolling pin or a floor roller to press them firmly into the adhesive and ensure good adhesion. Congratulations, you've successfully installed cork flooring. It's a sustainable and attractive choice that adds warmth and character to your space.